I think some of the problems with the two servos used as the indicators have been solved. The ones I had in before were Emaxes and both digital. What I've done is gone back to SG90s, which are supposedly analog, and everything seems to have calmed down. You can see the control board is in the back down here, and I have three similar cards, each one controlling a signal, and each of the signals is using a digital servo. Just pop the panel down and see how everything's working. Everything seems to be a lot quieter at the moment, and there are very few, if any, issues. Get a judder every now and again, not sure what that is, but the end result is always to point in the right direction.